It's time to lose the weight once and for all, without crazy restrictions, sacrificing the foods that you love, or spending countless hours in the gym. My name's Coach Maddie, and I used to be 80 pounds overweight and fed up of being stuck on the diet hamster wheel. I've compiled all that I've learned along my journey into what I call the 3-pillar approach to reclaiming your body and health. Introducing my free at-home transformation challenge. And yes, I said free, because you have wasted enough money on programs that don't work, and this is my beacon of hope for you. Normally, this challenge is $997, but when you reserve your spot today, it is completely free. Your challenge comes with a fat-blasting meal plan, delicious recipe book, full body toning workouts, and a VIP accountability group so you cannot fail. To claim your spot, click the button below this video and you'll be redirected to create a profile on our exclusive app. Once you finish that, you can head over to your inbox or junk box and you'll find one email with the rest of the instructions on how to access all the goodies for your challenge. Getting healthy doesn't have to be boring or hard. Click the button below and I will see you on the inside.